Your statement says that the payment was due on the 2nd. So on a credit card, it's typically like the 2nd, and then maybe 3 to 4 days after that, probably around the 5th, the statement ended. It closed. They sent that amount, the balance and the limit that was on the paper they just mailed you, they sent that up to the credit bureau for the one time for the month. It got there on the 6th. It looks like, so your credit report is going to update and say this information from this credit card was updated, was reported on the 6th. The day they were going off of, what you owed and what the limit was not the 6th. It was the last day of your statement. That's true for 95% of the credit cards out there. There are a couple out there that you have to, for a couple months, monitor your credit report to see what day they're actually going off of. It's best just to pay the credit card down to 20 by the due date, and then literally like put a freeze on, like don't use it, don't touch it, so that there's plenty of time. There's no processing going on. Like 3-4 days later, that's what it shows.